Morning guys, Rhino here, back with another video. It has gotten even worse. I guess you could say that oh god, what the hell is that thing? Ooh, that was Daddy Long Legs. Anyways, it's gotten way worse. There's so much wind. Oh my god! Look at that! I decided to make one more video before it gets dark out. Doesn't look like it's dark on the camera, but it is pretty dark. It's getting like almost black outside, like pitch black. Almost. I think it's just because it's gloomy, because it would be like a light right now. But next time, I'm coming.